guys, it's Alyssa and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the May 2018 Sephora Play box. So I usually do my Ipsy first, but this month for some reason my Ipsy and Sephora Play came on the same exact day, so I figured I'd do Sephora Play first. If you don't already know, Sephora Play is a monthly subscription box with Sephora that is $10 and you get about 5 beauty products. And without further ado, let's get into it. So, as usual, you get a little pamphlet with 50 extra Sephora Play Beauty Insider points. This little pamphlet will tell you all about what's inside the box. But I'm not going to look at it yet because I don't want to know. So, this is the bag. Interesting. It has like shoelace strings on it. That's kind of cool, I guess. Open it up. Let's get this box out of here. Let's open it up and see what I pull out first. Oh! Okay, so the first thing I got, I think, is this is the perfume sample. This is from Ahhh Im. It's Black Opium. I've heard a lot of people love this scent. Oh, it's so cute. The little packaging, it's adorable. I don't know how this kind of thing works. I have no idea how this works. It's just like a little thing like this. I have no idea how this works. Is there directions on how to open this thing? I don't know. Well, I know what it smells like. I've smelled this before. It's okay. So, that's alright for the first thing. See what we got next. Oh, this is pretty big. This is the Sephora Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying. That's a pretty big sample. I'm used to like these super tiny things from Sephora, so that's a pretty cool sample. So we got a mud mask. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, next we got from Dry Bar, Detox Dry Shampoo. This is perfect. I could use some dry shampoo right now. Let's see how it is. Whoa! Smells like a dry shampoo. I like this little thing. This is great for traveling. I'm going to a festival soon, so this is definitely going to be in my bag. Alright, let's see what we got next. I really hope there's some makeup. Oh, we got the Pore Professional from Benefit. I already have a little one of this. Actually, I have a travel size. This is like a deluxe sample size. So I have a little bit of this. I don't want this. So maybe I'll make a giveaway or something. For some reason, I just don't like how the Pore Professional works on my skin. It's just not for me. But maybe I'll make a giveaway box and this will go in there. I'm not sure yet. What do you guys think? I mean, it's a good product. People love it, but it's just not for me, you know? So we'll see what we're going to do with that. I really hope... Okay, 2 more things in here. What is this? Oh my god, yes. Okay. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, and you can never have enough black felt tip liners. This is one of the best ones, like highly rated by Sephora. I've actually never tried it before because I won't spend $20 on an eyeliner, so I'm super excited about that. That's cool. And let's see what we got last. Last thing we got... No way! I'm so excited! Marc Jacobs mascara. That's great. I'm so excited. Ah! I had to smell it. I mean, I don't know why, but it comes like that. This is so exciting. I've been dying to try this Marc Jacobs mascara. This is an expensive mascara. All right, so overall, we got the Marc Jacobs mascara, tattoo liner from Kat Von D, dry shampoo, the mud mask, the Pore Professional, and the little Yves Saint Laurent, what's it called? Black Opium? Wait, what is it called? Yeah, Black Opium perfume. So I think this is a pretty good value for $10. This is actually a great value. I'm super excited about this box. Yay! I'm actually really excited about this box. Kind of upset about this, but besides that, I love this box. I'm so excited. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean so much to me. And anyways, I'm going to leave a link below if you want to get Sephora Play yourself. And also, I'm going to be having a new video coming out this week for my Ipsy. And let's see whose was better this month. Which box was better this month? Sephora Play or Ipsy? So after this Sephora Play box, I think it's going to be really hard to top. But who knows? You never know what's going to happen with Ipsy. But anyways, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!